Welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will show you how to simulate the motion blur effect when you create animated titles in Adobe Premiere Pro CC and you cannot use Adobe After Effects. Max at the computer.
Francesca the voice.
Let's start! We'll start with the motion blur effect. The motion blur effect is used to give a sense of realistic movement to animations. The motion blur effect helps capture the scene as the human eye would. The object does not appear sharp while moving. There is also another motion effect that we will show you in the next video. The motion lines effect is used in comics. These abstract lines give the sense of fast movement of the object. Let's start with the motion blur effect. Turn on subtitles to read in your language. 1. Create your title. Add an essential graphics element. Write the text. Personalize your text. 2. Create a text animation. Our animation will last 15 frames. Add 2 keyframes to create the animation. Starting point and ending point. Arrival point. Set a temporal interpolation of the second keyframe, fade in. This is our animation. Now we need to give the sense of movement. Look for the directional blur effect in the effects window. The effect is found in the Video Effects, Blur and Sharpen category. Insert the effect into the Essential Graphics element. Here it is, above the text layer. Blur length, set the value 10. Direction, set the value 90 degrees. Let's check the result. Perfect. Just one last step missing. The effect must end when the title stops. 4. Add 2 keyframes to the blur length parameter to create an animation. Let's set up a 3-frame animation. Value 0 on the second frame, value 10 on the first frame. Perfect. We simulated the motion blur effect. Text appears naturally blurred during motion. If you want, you can change the name of the effect. Let's write motion blur. OK. You can define a segment of your artwork to preserve into keyframes. This way, the duration of the effect will always be the same. Done. Let's check the final result. 5. At this point, you can replace and customize the title. Write your text, customize the text, set the animation. Done. In the next video, I will show you how to simulate the motion lines effect. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for your attention and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.